Hello, my name is Terry Holmes. I'm an instructor at Universal Technical Institute. I am the instructor for electronics, automation, and robotics. This is one of our trainers for automation. You'll learn PLC programming, you'll learn VFD troubleshooting and programming, and also HMI troubleshooting and programming. This is the electronics trainer. Here you'll learn how to use all three PLCs together in order to make one functional system. It also will be able to interface it with a robotic system as well. Also at Universal Technical Institute, you'll learn robotics. You'll learn industrial robotics. We use the FANUC robotic system where you'll learn how to program through the pendant. You'll be able to put it in automatic and be able to watch the robot run. You also will understand the repairs and the troubleshooting needed to keep this robot running in an industrial situation. You'll learn how to program it, how to repair it, and how to troubleshoot it in all facets. And this will be another electronics, automation, robotics program that you will learn all types of facets in the industrial maintenance technology and also in the electronics area.